Good day, students. I still remain your mathematics teacher online, Mr. Ochola Humphrey C. As we go through this lesson, do not fail to subscribe to our channel. The topic we are considering today is use of symbols part 2. Use of symbols part 2. In the first part of use of symbols, letters were used to represent numbers. This second part focuses on word problems leading to use of letters to represent numbers. Today we shall be looking at word problems leading to algebraic expressions. Word problems leading to algebraic expressions. Word problems are mathematical problems that are represented in ordinary words instead of mathematical symbols. They are represented in ordinary words instead of mathematical symbols. Example 1. Osinachi bought Y apples. He gave 3 of them to Raymond. How many apples are left with Osinachi? Solutions. Number of apples bought by Osinachi equals Y apples. Number of apples given to Raymond equals 3 apples. The number of apples left with Osinachi equals number of apples bought by Osinachi minus number of apples given to Raymond, which gives us Y minus 3. From here, you can see bracket open, Y minus 3 bracket close apples. That is how the arrangement should be. The next is number 2. Romoke is 14 years old. A. How old will she be in 12 years' time? B. How old will she be in P years' time? Solutions. A. Romoke's current age equals 14 years old. In 12 years' time, her age will increase by 12 years. In 12 years' time, she will be 14 years plus 12 years, which gives us 26 years old. B. Here there is alphabet. There is no number. It is only 1, that is 14. Then we have P. So we are going to apply the same method above, but we are not going to write number. We are going to replace it with P. In P years' time, her age will be 14 years plus P years, which is equal to bracket open 14 plus P bracket close years old. Example 3. In an online quiz, Blessing got 5 marks more than Chidera. Chidera got Y marks. A. How many marks did Blessing get? B. Michael got Z marks more than Blessing. How many marks did Michael get? Solutions. A. Chidera's mark equals Y marks. Note that more than implies addition while less than implies subtraction. Therefore, Blessing's mark equals Y plus 5 plus Z marks. Then you have to arrange it very well. Alphabets first, followed by number. You have equals bracket open Y plus Z plus 5 bracket close marks. Example 4. Mr. Gossin is 40 years old. A. What was his age 15 years ago? B. What was his age M years ago? Solutions. A. Mr. Gossin's current age equals 40 years old. 15 years ago, he was 15 years less. When you hear less, you subtract. When you hear more, you now add. Or greater, you add. 15 years ago, he was 40 years old minus 15 years old equals 25 years old. Example 5. A chicken lays S eggs in 7 days. What is the average number of eggs it lays in 1 day? Solution. Number of eggs laid by the chicken in 7 days equals S eggs. Average number of eggs laid by the chicken in 1 day equals X over 7 eggs. Example 6. What is the cost of 12 books at Y naira each? Solution. The cost of 12 books at Y naira each equals 12 times Y naira, which is equal to 12 Y naira. You can see the exercise before you. When you must have gone through the lesson, ask questions where you don't understand. I'm still online with you. After asking questions and I've given you responses or answers, you have to do the exercise and submit. I'm still online with you. Thank you.